Starting around 20 September 2023, Chilliz in a real sense is exchanging at $0.059 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.25% in absolute most recent 60 minutes. Or so they in a real sense thought. CHZ for the most part has an all-out market cap of $436,790,010, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $26,923,524 in an unpretentious manner. This generally makes Chilliz, CHZ, positioning at 71 in the digital money market, which for the most part is genuinely huge. In the event that you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Chilliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chilliz generally be truly worth in 2023? Is Chilliz an essentially wise speculation or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023? In every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking, will CHZ cost certainly outperform its unsurpassed high? Or so they truly thought. These especially are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ''S' future. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023. As per the Chilliz figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the CHZ cost by and large is supposed to in every practical sense cross a very normal value level of $0.091. The normal exceptionally least value worth of Chilliz, toward the finish of the in every practical sense current year, ought to fundamentally be $0.088, which basically is very critical. Besides, CHZ can arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $0.097, which fundamentally is very critical. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Chilliz in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.073 and $0.082, while the truly normal exchanging cost ought to in every way that really matters be around $0.080, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Chilliz in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.079 and $0.086, showing that CHZ in a real sense has an essentially all-out market cap of $436,790,010, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $26,923,524, which sort of is genuinely huge, while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to especially be around $0.083, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. CHZ value conjecture October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Chilliz explicitly is supposed to, for the most part, arrive at least value worth of $0.082 in a fundamentally enormous manner. The CHZ cost could arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of $0.089, with the fundamentally normal cost around $0.085, or so they sort of thought. Chilliz, CHZ, value gauge November 2023. The Chilliz, CHZ, cost for November 2023 may fundamentally arrive at a kind of least worth of $0.085, while the for the most part greatest determined cost really is around $0.093, which basically is genuinely huge. The genuinely normal cost for CHZ sort of is basically anticipated to reach $0.088 in November 2023 in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. CHZ value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Chilliz really is gauged to be at around and in every practical sense least worth of $0.088 in an unpretentious way. The Chilliz value worth can in a real sense arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0.097, with the really normal exchanging worth of $0.091 in United States dollars in a by and large enormous way. Chilliz sort of passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been somewhat diminished by 0.34% in its especially current worth, showing the way that the Chilliz value worth can sort of arrive at a very limit of $0.097, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.091 in United States dollars in every practical sense enormous way. Assuming we essentially think about the by and large current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down, or so they especially thought. From certainly most recent 7 days, the CHZ certainly was an especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 4.8% in a genuinely large manner. Chilliz fundamentally has shown areas of strength for extremely potential recently, and this could be decent an open door to basically dive right in and generally contribute. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ certainly diminished by 57.813%, taking out an incredible genuinely normal amount of $0.081 from its kind of current worth in a kind of significant manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a decent fundamentally purchase a valuable open door for pretty fast interest in an essentially significant manner. The 90 days cost change basically is near 57.20%, and the cost for the most part circled from a very least essentially normal cost of 13 cents to truly greatest by and large normal cost of 14 cents in every practical sense recent days, showing how assuming we in a real sense look at the especially current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap sort of is likewise down in a quite enormous manner. Chilliz is somewhere near 43.56% with the in every practical sense greatest kind of normal cost of the coin truly was around 11 cents. And the kind of least exceptionally normal cost of especially was around 11 cents in truly beyond 4 months. Kind of additional appearance how in the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Chilliz cost expectation end of 2023. What will Chilliz generally be truly worth in 2023? Which certainly is very critical. Chilliz value estimate 2023 facts. What will sort of be Chilliz kind of worth in 2023? Which in a real sense is very huge. The CHZ cost in every practical sense is estimated to by and large arrive at an especially greatest degree of $0.097, with for the most part least cost of $0.088 toward the finish of 2023, showing how Chilliz especially past value examination and the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been certainly diminished by 0.34% in its exceptionally current worth, showing the way that the Chilliz value worth can for the most part arrive at and in every way that really matters, limit of $0.097, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.091 in United States dollars in a by and large huge way. Does Chilliz for the most part have a future in a kind of significant manner? As far as value, Chilliz certainly has a remarkable in every practical sense potential to arrive at new levels, showing how CHZ value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Chilliz all things considered is estimated to truly be at around and in every way that really matters, least worth of $0.088 fundamentally in spite of mainstream